I'm Tilina. I've been contributing to IceHrm project for a long time. So today I'll be showing you how to set up your development environment with IceHrm. So uh, basically first you have to download the repo. So I have already done that, so I'm not going to do it again. So here you can just take the URL and clone it. And as I've already done that, I'm just going to go into the IceHrm folder. Okay, so and I'm on the develop branch. So the first thing is that, as it mentioned in the documentation, uh, first we can try running our containers. What I'm going to do here is that I'm just going to type docker compose up. Yep. So IceHrm uses three environments: one for the development, one for the production, and one for the testing. And as you can see, we are starting the MySQL container and also the web container and the worker container. Worker container is responsible for running the crons. So now you have your development environment running, so you can go back to the project and see where you can load the your development environment. Here it is. Something happened. I'm not sure. Yeah, this is because this is the production. So our development URL is 8080, and then you can see IceHrm here. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to log in. The default password is admin. Yeah, so you can see it running. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go into the code and make a small change, compile assets, because the change might happen in the JavaScript front end, and show you how it will get loaded into the development environment. So first I'm going to open the code. So here so this is the Docker file, but what I want to edit is that one of the JavaScript files, because I'm now going to add a new field to the project table. So here you can see the project's loading, and I can add the details field to the table. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go into the web folder. The projects are under the admin, and I should be able to see the source code for the project. Here it is. Going to go into the lib. So currently we are not showing the details on the table, so I'm going to edit quickly here. And also here as well. Right, now we should be able to see the details column on the project table. So let's check that. So because I made a change to the JavaScript files, I'll have to compile it. How I'm going to do that? So here now I'm running this Docker Compose, so I'm going to open a new tab. Should be so we have two locations that we are storing the node modules. So here I need to run a pm install just to make sure that everything is there. Right, and then what I'm going to do is that at the root level as well, I'm going to install an npm install just to be sure. So if you don't know what is the module that you have changed, then you will have to run gulp. So for now you can ignore this warning. It's happening because of one of the libraries that we are using. I still couldn't find a proper fix for that, but it's not affecting the build. Yeah, so I have to compile all the assets because I didn't specify the exact module, but you could have specified the exact module to make it faster as well. So because we changed the projects module, I could show you that once this is finished. I could have done that as well. Yep, now it's compiled and it should be loaded into our development environment. Oops, I think the JavaScript is cached. Let me enable caching, disable caching. So as you can see here, now you see the details column as well. If I do that, I should be able to see the details. So yeah, so this is it. It's really easy to get started with IceHrm development, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to open an issue under the project. Here, if you check on the IceHrm development environment, you can see that how the command to run end-to-end Cypress tests. So first you will have to bring down your development environment. Yep. Waiting for the worker to be done with it. Yes, it's done. And then now you can start end-to-end tests. So if you run this command here, it'll spawn up another testing environment and it'll start running end-to-end tests in another Docker container.